President Emerson Mnangagwa's allies and supporters are getting increasingly desperate to keep him in office beyond his 2028 constitutional limit to 2030. They are planning a subvert the constitution through the back door. Sanabana mashoko atukona kuti panapa vakomanawo panguva ino vari kutotya kuti toramba chisapota mutungamiri wenyika for the 2030 kana toita sei. Vakomana when the ruling party panguva ino vari muconfusion. Sanapena mashoko anodanyirwa panapa nevakomana having the news okusungirwa subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Timbina mwana mudanyira chiti Zambia Farari provincial chairman Goodwill Masimurembwa says the constitution allows President Emmerson Mnangagwa to serve more than 2 terms, provided it is amended to allow him to continue for 2 years, 11 months and 29 days. He says a referendum would only be needed if Mnangagwa wants to serve 2 terms and an extra 3 years, which constitution considers a full term. So the plan is to use parliament to amend the constitution and postpone the elections to 2030. In the process, giving Mnangagwa 2 more years in power without going through a referendum to remove term limits. These details raise a critical constitutional and legal issue as well as political atmospherics. Can parliament postpone elections? University of Zimbabwe academic Lavo Maduku, a professor of law, recently told the Newshawks that parliament cannot postpone elections without staging a coup against the constitution. Masimurembwa told a ZANU-PF Harare Youth Inter-District meeting on Saturday the plan is to amend the constitution to extend Mnangagwa's term by more 2 years, pushing the next elections to 2030. Ndo mashoko atirikuona kuti aiwa ari kubva masuggestions ari kubva kune vanhu. Tiona kuti debate iri kuramba ichingotenderera. Tiona kuti panguva ino vakomana ve the ruling party ZANU-PF kunyange everything is now in place, vangomira kungoamenda the constitution. Vari kutya kuti vangoita any slight move panguva ino they do not know the consequences anenge ari carried into that move. That's because vari kunyatskuziva kuti aiwa panguva inoi citizens they are resisting, war veterans they are resisting, and the worst part of it masoja havasi kuziva kuti ndevapi vacho panguva ino they are not also supporting their plan to amend the constitution. Todze mafunguro aimoti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pindai comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.